Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your web applications with Google Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your web applications with Google Cloud, start by logging into the Google Cloud console. Navigate to the I am and admin section to manage user permissions and roles. Create a new project dedicated to your web application for better organization. Once your project is ready, enable the necessary APIs for your application. This may include APIs for cloud storage, compute engine, or any other services you plan to use. Install the Google Cloud SDK to interact with your cloud resources via the command line. Set up identity and access management policies to ensure that only authorized users can access your resources. Utilize Google Cloud Security Command Center to monitor your resources for vulnerabilities. Next, implement a web application firewall, or WAF, to protect against common web exploits. Configure firewall rules in the Google Cloud Console to restrict incoming traffic. Set up cloud identity or use Firebase authentication to manage user identities securely. For data protection, use Google Cloud's encryption services to encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Deploy your application to Google App Engine or Google Kubernetes Engine for scalable infrastructure. Ensure that you enable Cloud VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, for a secure network environment. Regularly review and update your security settings to adapt to new threats. Make use of logs and monitoring tools available in Google Cloud to detect any suspicious activity. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of potential security incidents. Conduct regular security audits and penetration testing to identify weaknesses. Finally, stay informed about the latest security features and best practices provided by Google Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.